What's up, my dude? I'm gonna hop right back in it. Remember?
You'll be sorry. No! Come back here! I swear I'll kill you if you hurt Alice! Do you hear me? Come back here! He had Alice, and he wanted the manuscript because he thought it held some magical power. But I had no manuscript to give him. I had to get back to Barry and figure out my next move.
Don't have one yet, Alan. I'm gonna get all these pages. I remember this being one of the hardest parts of the game. Just with like the last episode dealing with all the bear trap. All the buds with, you know, you don't have a gun or anything, only homie does. And it's fucking rushy, you can't really do much. I know there's another part. It has to be around here. I'm pretty sure. Fuck, God damn it. I walked right into that. Son of a
Rusty had warned me about these traps. It hurt like hell.
Yeah.
I was stuck.
Quality narration. Get out of here. Oh my god. I thought that was a fucking manuscript page. No! Alright. Watch out for the shinies. Fucking. It's about to walk right into that one too. Shinies. Rootin' doo 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 bear trap. I ain't gonna walk into that. Oh. I wonder who's about to rush out of these fucking forests. Who could it be? Right. Never mind. Fuck me, right? Alright, wait a minute. That looks fucking goofy. Oh, god damn it. I love old, like, Xbox 360, like, I don't know, like, game character walks or game walk animations, yeah. There's always a way to make them just look ridiculous. There. Go down and around. Oh, he fell off. I'll just stay on the path. Just always want to go off path just to find collectibles. What the fuck? Phew. Thought I could open it. Bitch ass chest. Up here. The Healy station. Probably some shotgun rounds or I don't know, some random shit up here. This is just where I have to go. God damn. Out of here. Ooh, that's a big boy. Fuck. Hey, got the hunting rifle.
The night had been one desperate situation after another. I was exhausted, and my body felt as though it had been chewed up and spat out. The flashlight was heavy in my hand, and each pull of the trigger sent a painful shock up my arm. But I was finally out of the woods, and things were looking up. That's when I heard the chainsaw.
Yeah, yeah, fuck that. I feel like on a top 5 list of shit you don't want to hear in a forest, chainsaw's probably definitely number 1. Chainsaw number 1, barrel roar number 2. Nah, bear number 1, chainsaw 2, but still. Fuck that.
I had heard the plane fall. It made no sense. It was clear that it had just fallen here, but it was very old and obviously hadn't flown in decades. Looking at it sent a shiver down my spine.
Marky Mark? Marky Mark and the Funky Bunch up there? Shadows. Started. Hell yeah. A spoopy windmill? No, a water wheel? Grain mill? Grain thing? What the fuck is this place? That one definitely, that definitely went off my head. Fuck, is there really no ammo around? Damn. Hey. Oh, damn. Oh. I know this is about to suck. Pretty sure a bunch of people just fucking ambushed me. Good thing though, at least I have this one shot, or this hunting rifle's one shot. So I guess I was wrong. Just an old ass building. Wait a minute. Straight up. Just like that fucking movie Birds, man.
Beware of Widowmakers!
Yeah, I'm not using it. Oh. I guess the big boys take 2 shots. Darkness wears her face. Got some ammo in here. And oh fuck yeah. 11 rounds. About to be blasting on some homies.
Shadows stirred and the wind picked up as I ran through the forest. I felt the dark presence turning its gaze toward me. Then the moonlight was blotted out by dark shadows that raced violently across the ground, moving too swiftly to be natural. Darkness gathered between the trees and melted again to reveal the Taken. No natural path had brought them here.
Still love it. I love how they explain all this shit. It's best game. 10 out of 10. Best game. I can't wait for the second one. It's gonna be really interesting because they said it's gonna be more like survival horror-ish or whatever instead of like storytelling, I guess. I don't know. Forgot what they described it as. I mean, after the Alan Wake American Nightmare, like, little DLC they came out with, I just want them to do more stuff with this. So I'll probably play through that too. The slowest moving log. Try and just use all these heavy shots on the heavies, or the rifle shots on the heavies. Get the most use out of them that way. Jump scares. Oh yeah. Got full ammo. 6 flares. Yeah,
Logging is a hazardous occupation.
But as I use that chainsaw. Yeah, so see how he has the orange circle around him? I like just like passive damage to his shit. Yeah, alright. Oh, not bad. Where you going? I need to do another playthrough of this on Nightmare. Cause that man, he was so fucking scary in the hard difficulty. I mean, all this shit is like you have to watch. I don't know, just your resource management so much more. Everything takes way more shots. A little bit longer on the like light. Getting rid of their shield and all that.
Barry?
Ow! The porch is covered with birds. They've got all Hitchcock on me.
Stay out of sight. I'm on my way. Don't open the door.
What, am I crazy?
Stay hidden. I'll be there soon. Just make sure you keep the lights on.
Oh. A little heart. I forgot about those.
I still had to reach Barry at the cabin, but at least I was out of the woods.
Oh yeah, this little driving sequence thing. Go. There's gotta be something in these bathrooms, isn't there?
The FBI agent's command froze me in place. I considered surrender. It was all falling apart anyway. I could give in, let someone else deal with it. But it felt all wrong. Call it instinct, his posture, the way he held the gun. He was no friend. Shots ringing in my ears, I leaped for the hole in the fence and stumbled into the darkness beyond.
Oh, yep. I remember that part. Fuck that part. Me and all my homies hate that part. Ammo, eh? It's giving me so much ammo. I feel like I have to fight something harder than Chainsaw Man back there. Checkpoint. Oh. Ah, damn. I'm gonna watch this TV, but I'll cut it out.
A story is not a machine that does what you tell it. A story is a beast with a life of its own. You can create it, shape it, but as the story grows, it starts wanting things of its own. Change one thing and you set off a chain reaction of events that spreads through the whole thing. The characters have to be true to themselves. The events need to follow a logic that fits the story. A single flaw and the magic is gone. The story dies. Alice dies.
Damn. I fucking love it. I knew it. I knew somebody was in there. Got the garage keys. There ain't shit around here. Well, I'll see y'all next time.